Hey there, financial future followers. Are you ready to hear some exciting news? Especially for those of you who receive Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA benefits? Well, a new law has been passed, and it means you could soon see a significant boost in your bank account up to $5,500 more. Intrigued? Let's break it down. First off, who qualifies for this extra cash? Whether you're retired, have a disability, or are a veteran, this additional financial support could make a big difference in your life. But hold on, there's even more good news. On top of the $5,500 direct deposit, there's an additional $200 coming your way. Yes, you heard that right, an extra $200 to help with whatever you need. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about these new payments. We'll explain who qualifies, how to make sure you receive the money, and what it means for you and your loved ones. This is a fantastic opportunity to get some much-needed assistance during these challenging times, so don't miss out. In a major announcement this week, the federal government unveiled a new round of direct payments and supplemental benefits aimed at providing financial support to millions of Americans receiving Social Security, Supplemental Security Income, Social Security Disability Insurance, and VA benefits. With inflation remaining stubbornly high and the costs of basic necessities like food, gas, and housing continuing to rise, these new payments could provide a much-needed lifeline for seniors, disabled individuals, and other vulnerable groups struggling to make ends meet. So, what exactly was announced? Here are the key details you need to know. The biggest part of this package is new direct payments of up to $5,500 that will be paid out to certain Social Security beneficiaries over the coming months. These payments are specifically targeted at providing inflation relief and helping offset the higher costs that recipients have been facing. However, not everyone receiving Social Security or other federal benefits will automatically qualify for the full $5,500 payment. There are some important eligibility criteria involved, which we'll dive into later in this video. In addition to the potential $5,500 direct payment, the government is also providing a separate $200 supplemental benefit specifically for Social Security and SSDI recipients. This extra $200 payment is being framed as an emergency cost of living adjustment to help offset the impacts of inflation and higher prices for things like groceries, utilities, and more. Importantly, this $200 extra benefit will be paid out on an ongoing basis each month, rather than as a one-time lump sum. Now, let's talk about eligibility. Your eligibility will depend on your individual income level and family situation. According to the official guidelines, single filers with adjusted gross incomes of up to $75,000 can qualify for the full $5,500 payment amount. However, the payment amount begins phasing out for incomes above that level, with single filers in the $80,000 to $95,000 income range qualifying for smaller supplemental payments. For married couples filing jointly, the full $5,500 payment applies for household incomes up to $150,000. These phase-out ranges are based on your most recent tax return from 2022 or earlier. So, if your income level has changed significantly in 2023, you may qualify for a different payment amount than you'd expect based solely on your prior tax returns. Additionally, there are a few other key eligibility rules to be aware of. The new $5,500 direct payments are expected to start going out within the next 2-3 months, likely before the end of summer 2024. Most payments will be issued automatically via direct deposit to existing beneficiaries, while others may receive paper checks in the mail depending on how they normally receive their federal benefits. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest financial news. Stay tuned for more updates from Financial Future.